Here's what's different about this humidifier compared to the other ones. This is an app that will let you turn it on and then fully customize colors: blue, green, orange, yellow, purple, cyan, blue, white, or colorful. Or a sleep mode. Sleep mode is going to make it so it still runs, but the lights turn off so you can go to sleep. It's very quiet, and I like that you can also change the output of the spray volume. So right now it's on low. I can change that to high, and it's going to crank out more. Pick it up.